So let's talk about chapter 7, number 8. So we said that we're going to use the formula, this formula right here, big S, that's the total amount that you'll have after all the investing, is equal to then this equation, R times 1 plus I raised to the n minus 1, all of that over I. Now let's make sure we know what each of these letters represents. So n is the number of total payments. That's going to be 3 years times 12 times a year or monthly. So 3 times 12 is 36. N is 36. R is the amount you're investing each month. That's 130. The interest rate is 5%, 0.05. And then we're doing it monthly, so M is equal to 12. To find I simply take R over M, and so that's going to be 0.05 over 12. I'm not going to worry about solving that any further because my calculator is going to do that for me. So when I plug all those numbers in right here, this is what I get. Now I'm simply going to use my calculator to plug those to do this math. Now, it is important to realize that I'm not going to start with the 130 here. I want to handle all the stuff inside first and then move from there. And I just realized, by the way, this should be a 36 right here. This should be a 36, so I'm changing that back to 36. Okay. So what I want to do first of all is see what all this nastiness in here is. I'm going to start with the 0.05 and divide it by 12. That's going to give me some number. That number right there. I don't need to write it down because my calculator is going to save it for me. But I do know that I want to add whatever that was to 1 plus that. So just hit plus 1 and my calculator stores the previous answer. So it's this number right here. I'm going to take that number and I'm going to raise it to the, here's my exponent key, raise it to the 36th. And that gives me this number. Again, I don't need to write that down. Now I have this part. I want to subtract from that 1. So I'm going to do that now, minus 1. And I get 0.1614 blah blah blah. Okay. Now I've got all of this information. I want to multiply that times 130. So previous answer times 130 is 20.99 and some change. Now I'm going to divide that by this number right here, divided by open parentheses 0.05 divided by 12. And that gets me $5,037.93. So that's going to be my final answer, $5,037.93.